So this is already warming up. Okay, so what are you gonna do is you wanna do zigzag with cross feet and you spreading the cross feet. So it's good if you have your own eye cream because that's good and you can put some eye cream rather than your facial oil. Okay, that's what I normally do because remember I don't put my facial oils under my eye. Okay, I only put my facial oils on my face. Okay, I'm myself is gonna be only 5 minutes, but I teach you guys so it's a little bit take longer. Okay, so spreading that cross feet, go zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Make sure you need to always zigzag down and then putting down back. And that's the reason why it's going to be working. If you only, some people just only do this. This is not going to work. You need to spread and then zigzag, 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 spread and zigzag and down. Okay, you can see that difference, that already not much puffiness. So you want to spreading. So spreading and zigzag, zigzag, spreading on the side. What I normally do is I just do a little spreading and then go zigzag, zigzag down, spreading and zigzag, 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 and make sure go a little lifting here and go down. Okay, so this better. So spreading, you always want to hold and go down. So now upper face. So like I said, in the future, I'm going to teach you guys for the 11 lines and forehead wrinkle. Today we're only for lymphatic drainage and all for people who in all age, like you're more than 55, you're under 20, you can all do this today. So it's not going to be anything specific targeted any wrinkle. This is just for prevention aging, and also it's very good to connecting with your face acupressure points to the internal organ. So next it will be underneath my eye. So I will just go hold and go right, do a little scraping back down to the ear. So you want to make sure couple points you need to do. So the first point is right here. Okay, that's the points you need to glide, no pressure. Okay, and then this point right here, 球后, you need to glide and glide. See, you can starting a little redness, glide and go down. Okay, so gliding and go down. Okay, so that will be this side, and the eye bag is better, right? You can see that because you do it every day, you will see the difference. So gliding. So what I normally do is I'm just using this hand and just gliding. So you want to make sure you always use one hand to hold. Okay, so it's good to hold like that, but it's looking awkward when I teach you guys. But yes, okay, you can see that's the point you need to stimulate. That's called 球后. It's connecting the stomach meridians. Go all the way down. Make sure the secret is gliding to here, to here, to here, to down, back to the lymphatic. Everything you need to back to the back of the ear. So next is prevent smell line. Okay, if you already have smell line, like I said, I'm going to teach you guys in detail, but this is just for prevention. So hold. So you need to do more about zigzag of that smell line. Just hold. So good thing, what I normally do is just hold and push to the side and then just do this. You need to just like that. Okay? I know it's already different, so just pull and then go back. When you're starting with working on the smell lines on the lower part of your body and you're starting using the bigger Gua Sha, okay, so you can use this, just do, there's a couple points. The first one is B tone, second one is D tone, okay? So this 2 points that you need to hold and pull, gliding, because remember you need to use a lot of oils. You basically practice this, you need to have a lot of oils on your face. So go back, and the next one is same thing with hold continually gliding down. Okay, this is the one. Next, it will be hold here all the way. So you're not go just like this. This is not gonna work. Gliding up and go back. Okay, so gliding up, go back. So for the double chin, you can gliding even further, which is, so I'm just doing this, but you want to go more further, go up and down. Okay, so you want to need to hold. This is the key. Okay, so you 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. This is gonna be helping you lifting up the face and activate the lymphatic drainage. Okay, and if you feel a little bit sore right here, you can do a little bit of sliding Gua Sha, just from this here. You bite your teeth and just hold and go a little bit up and go down. Okay, and go down. Okay, so it's gonna be a little different. Okay, this side as well. Same thing with this smell line. Okay, you can see the difference. Can you guys see there's having a little smell line right here, but it doesn't have that much. So this is every day. You're not targeted on the smell line yet. Okay, the material is terahertz stone. Okay, I'm gonna be posting one of the article about the terahertz stone. Okay, so just gliding here, go up and down. Okay, gliding. So you want to make sure you need to breaking down the nodules by gliding, not any pressure. So this is gonna be the area causing smell line, because this muscle nodules in those area, those are the one causing smell line. You want to gliding up. So basically you want to go, it's below that cheekbone. Go up. And the next point is this one. And go up, go down, go up, go down. And next will be this one. My phone always keep go up. See, this is gonna be the tension. A lot of people have TMJ. Go down, go up, down, go up, down. Okay, so this is gonna be the one you're gonna do. And if you have like more double chins, you can glide more from the more bottom and lifting up and back down from the ear. Okay, so this is the one what I normally do every day. If I have time, at least I'll do 3 times a week. Okay, so this is the one. If you have any questions, you can email me. However, I'm gonna have to take time to answer your questions. So any question right now I can answer. This is very simple. 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes routine. You can do it every night. Okay? How to store guasa. This is made by terahertz stone. It's terahertz stone. It's designed by Japanese science. This stone has a high frequency and thermal conduction. So if you wear a terahertz stone bracelet and you're testing the blood flow, and you will see after 2 hours the blood flow on your hands, just on your hands, will be increased. Okay, so I feel it in my face less tight. Yes. So what happens is one mistake is people only glide, they don't hold. That's not going to be working. Number 2, if you only glide here, you're not lifting up and back down, and then your skin will be still there. It's not going to be lifting up. And next is people are thinking the stone are very cold, it's better. Actually, it's not. This stone is cold at the first beginning, but when you actually working on it, it start become warming up by your skin, because this is thermal conduction. So once it's become warming up and you're having the cold and warm alternate together, and that's the key factor to stimulating the blood flow and breaking down the stagnation and boost the collagens. Okay, so that's why I designed my tool by, you can click the link in my bio, you can buy my tool, okay? And we ship from Canada. We're a Canadian-based company. Why people weak at the end, but they don't go back at the ear? So if you weak, it's better if you weak at the end. But so if you do this and you wig it, so that's more about a stabilize the muscle. However, for more stabilize the muscle is you want to pull the muscle from here and back. So why? Because for example, if you pull your neck, for example, you pull here. Can you see the difference of the face? Not pull and pull, not pull and pull. So the problem, the most effective area to stabilize the muscle is back. Okay, so that's related to anatomy as well. Okay, and also, what's the question? It's better to start working your forehead or your chin first. Like I said, the very important thing is number 3, the mistake is people just, when they do it at home and they just, you look like I don't have any makeup. Okay, so very important thing, one mistake is when you practicing Gua Sha, you just go ahead to do on the face. It's wrong. You need to stimulating the acupressure points, the bigger acupressure points around your ear, the bigger acupressure points are back of your neck and your shoulder, and activate the lymphatic drainage, because same thing, it's blood flow. It's like the water running to the ocean. There's small branches, they're big branches. So in order for your blood flow better and your blood flow quicker to the ocean, you need to actually open the channel on the bigger branch first, because you're working on the small branches. And then you need to open the blood flow in the bigger branch first. And also those bigger branch always located on where you have more lymphatic nodes and also where the acupressure points accumulate most. The acupressure points accumulate most is the ear, and also the back of your neck. And that's the most, and also the armpit. So if you want to do it, you can do more on the armpit as well. So this is going to be more effective. Okay? Yeah. I'm going to save the video. You guys can watch it later. I need to download to send to my private Facebook teaching group as well. So, all right, that's it for today. And I hope you guys enjoying it, because I normally don't do this live. Because like I said, I want you guys can feel better internally, because internal health is the key factor to contribute outer beauty. If you're not having a very good detox system in your gut and your intestines, it's like you don't have good nutrition go up to your face. Doesn't matter how much good products you're using, doesn't matter. So you have to, internally has to be health in order for you to have a good skin. However, Gua Sha is physically, it's like, okay, so it's like you grow a flower in a pot. You have to loosening up the soils, enable to your flower absorbing that nutrition. Gua Sha is like absorbing that nutrition from the soil. It's like loosening up the soil. So for people who bought my tools, please click the link in my bio page and go to my private Facebook training group. And only for people who bought the tools, okay? Because we are offering people who actually practice my technique and sending me the videos I'll post on the Facebook, and I need to correct them. You have to send me the video for me to tell you which you did wrong. Okay? Yeah. Happy long weekend for all people in Canada. Yeah. All right. You're gonna feel, we wash with water. So I actually recommend it. So you can wash with water, but these two are very durable. Only problem is these two are very fragile, because I made of this two with 100% terracotta stone. If you fall on the ground, it's gonna be broke. It's gonna be broken, no doubt. Okay, so we send to US. We are free shipping worldwide.